Today I thought I'd share a few food safety tips to keep you safe during grilling season. According to the Centers for Disease Control, rates of food poisoning increase during the summer months because the warmer weather causes bacteria to grow faster. With that in mind, here are 4 steps from the Food and Drug Administration to help reduce your chances of coming down with a case of food poisoning. The first step is to clean. Wash your hands before and after handling food for at least 20 seconds with warm water and soap. It's also important to wash cutting boards, dishes, utensils, and countertops after preparing each food item. The second step to prevent food poisoning is to separate. When shopping, keep raw meat, poultry, and seafood separate from other items in your cart. Often, grocery stores provide plastic bags to help keep these items apart to prevent cross-contamination. Never place cooked food on plates that have been exposed to raw meat, poultry, or seafood until the plates have been washed in hot soapy water. The third step to prevent food poisoning is to cook. Use a thermometer to ensure that food reaches the proper internal cooking temperature. Color and texture are not reliable methods. Intact whole cuts of meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, should be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit and allowed to rest for 3 minutes before serving. Hamburgers and other ground meat should be cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Poultry should be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The fourth step to prevent food poisoning is to chill. Keep food refrigerated at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below until it's time to cook. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours. However, if it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit or hotter outside, refrigerate leftovers within 1 hour. An additional food safety tip is to check your grill to ensure that it's clean. If you use a wire bristle brush for cleaning, make sure that none of the bristles remain on the cook surface. They could dislodge and become stuck in food. So, just a few food safety tips for summer grilling season. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or food.okstate.edu.